Hi, I'm Cheri. Welcome to Historic Brattonsville, and today I'm in the brick kitchen and making apple charlotte. Apple charlotte was a really popular dessert in the 18th and 19th century and supposedly was invented by King George III's female chef. First, we are going to butter a bunch of bread to line our baking bowl with. We're going to butter both sides. So, I'm going to line our bowl. Our first layer is done. So let's put in some apples. And it's more bread, more butter. Alright, and we're going to top it off. More bread and butter. A couple hours in a slow oven. And here is how it turned out. So come out to Brattonsville and see what we're cooking, especially in the month of October. On Saturdays, we will be having harvest on the homestead.